Welcome to Whispers. Interesting. Call us when there is attack by Fulani herdsmen in your domains. OPC, Agbekoya, others tell Yoruba traditional rulers. So they have to wait until they are attacked before they call them. Abi, let me read it again. Call us when there is attack by Fulani herdsmen in your domains. OPC Agbekoya, others tell Yoruba traditional rulers. Okay. Okay. Oodua People's Congress, Agbekoya, Hunters Group, Ishokanle Yoruba, Vigilante Group of Nigeria, Ibarapa Group, and Community Society Awareness Initiative have all expressed their preparation to defend Yoruba land against invasion by killer Fulani herdsmen. This was contained in a communique released after their joint meeting under the auspices of the Southwest Security Stakeholders in Lagos. The groups went further to urge paramount rulers and traditional rulers in Yoruba land to alert them whenever there is an assault in their territories. Whenever there is so they have to wait for there to be an assault. Oh my God. Oh my God. The communique reads, in part, the meeting reviewed recent security concerns in the nation generally and Oodua land in particular. The meeting shared the concern of the people in general and prominent Nigerians, especially about the security situation in the land. The meeting noted that inherent in the statement of Chief of Defense Staff of the nation calling on Nigerians to defend themselves, this is clearly an official endorsement of self-defense. The meeting fears the situation, if not addressed, signals a grievous national crisis. The meeting therefore called on the government to quickly arrest the apparent anarchy. The meeting aligned with the call of the governors of Southwest that President Muhammadu Buhari should prove his innocence in the carnage being perpetrated by herders by not only unambiguously condemning the nefarious acts but also take clear steps to exterminate it. You are waiting on who? You are wasting your time. You are wasting it. What is all this? The meeting stressed the point that multinational states such as Nigeria must be built on respect for different human components making up the meeting emphasized the call for a return to pure federalism, which was the political arrangement leaders of the nation endorsed by leaders at independence. This will allow various nations in the country to take proper control of their affairs, including security. Meanwhile, the meeting urged Obas and traditional leaders of Yoruba land not to hesitate to invite any of the groups listed above in the event of any threat to the security of every Yoruba land by invading groups anywhere in our land. Really? Nonsense. So, alert you. When you know the states where the herdsmen are terrorizing its citizens, this is another town hall meeting. That will probably yield nothing. Go and do the needful instead of this media campaign. Go to Yewa in Ogun State. That should be a starting point for you. Ibarapa is there. Igongo is there. Ondo Forest is there. You're waiting for them to call you after the deed has been done. Oh my God. Not until harder attack us before we alert OPC. In a matter of urgency, OPC Agbekoya should be deployed to our forests now. In particular, Ibarapa axis and Yewe land. Yes, so the feeling of the Herdsmen is that they have all what it takes to conquer everybody. Therefore, we need your protection more than ever before. Please, your quick intervention will help a lot. I thought they said prevention is better than cure. You are waiting for there to be an attack. Your job is to prevent the attack and chase them out. Don't wait to be called. Launch your operations in all villages and communities to keep our people safe. You shouldn't wait till you are attacked, since the Fulani intentions are known. And a northern governor said Yorubas cannot drive the herdsmen from their forest. The best strategic move is to repel them from your forest. Do not speak with fear. So we must wait for the damage to be done before we begin to prevent it. What of if the whole community has been devastated, like what happened in Benue? Prevention is better than cure. We must defend ourselves with what we have. Ministry of Defense said that too. Nonsensical. Yes, so why wait till when the havoc has been wreaked before taking action? Attack is the best form of defense. If truly they are serious, they should be offensive. Do bandits and murderous herdsmen give notice of attack? I wonder. I'll help me ask them. Traditional rulers? Then you won't be invited because they are Fulani cabals hale. Better stand by and scan the media. Town cries. Well, finally, they don't wake up, but don't wait to be called. That is the point. Don't wait to be called. Did the Fulani, when they're going to attack, did they announce? No. You go. You don't even need to announce it. Go there. OPC, start by dismantling every Siriki. Whatever, because there is no Oba in the north. Every corner there is a Siriki. Why? What is that? Systematic invention. They just want to take over the land. Why? Nobody fit crown any Oba or Eze in the north. Talk more having won negotiates with kidnappers and terrorists. Dismantle any rubbish, because that is where they gather, plan their evils and get orders from. Yes! Seriki, Seriki Shasha, Seriki Bodija, Seriki Bere, Seriki Sabo, Seriki Ojo. Shasha and Ojo, they are very, it's Shasha and Ojo just like 5 and 6. Why do you need Seriki Shasha, Seriki and Ojo, Seriki everywhere in Ibadan? Every street has Seriki. Why? Can we have Oba in every street in Kano or Kaduna or Zamfara? No, you can't have Oba. Because according to our culture and tradition, there can only be one Oba. The Oba has loads of balance. They did not even stop at, they are saying Oba. Koyemisha, I don't know. Just get rid of all the Serikis. We don't want them. And it is our kings that are making them the Serikis. Let them reverse the Serikishi, cancel the Serikishi. Let's take it from there. Let's take it from there. You need to take over Amotekun. You need not be alerted before you protect your people. Establish yourselves as security and carry out your jobs without permission of any thief called politician. That is it. That is it. Don't wait till you are called before you show a patriotic Yoruba nationalist. That is all. That is all. Just go do your job. What will they go do after an attack? I wonder. Is it not better to be proactive and prevent the attack before it happens? Tell them more about what's off one. About what's off one. OPC, where were you for days and months when Fulani herdsmen were killing your people? You people just woke up from slumber? Nonsense. And yet, they've just woken up from slumber and they're saying we should wait till we've been attacked before we call them to come and do what? Medicine after that. There should be an assault before they call you guys. What a shame. It is a shame. I don't know. I was even like, oh yeah, oh thank God they are all coming up. But with us, wait until the deed is done, then they call you. It's not making sense to me. Make it make sense. So make it make sense. So please, you can do better than this. So excuse me, you can do better than this. So this is our land, though. It's our land. We know our land inside out more than them. So we will now wait for them to attack the people before. I don't know. So that is it, though. They say we should fold our hands and let them come and attack us. So then, when they've cut off the hands and they've cut off the tongue, I wonder how we are gonna talk or even call or ask for help. Mekunu, defend yourself. Emma Drode, anybody. I shall defend that. Really? Oh my world. Until I come your way again. Bye.